The man in this picture is being hated by his fellow Yariba people because his mother is an Igbo woman. His name is Gbadebo Rhodes-Vivour. He is from Lagos State. He once contested for governorship in the last governorship election in Lagos State. So many Yariba people were campaigning against him simply because his mother is an Igbo woman. His father is called Olawale Rhodes-Vivour. His mother is called Nkechi Rhodes-Vivour. It's a crime for a Yariba person to marry an Igbo person. Yariba people know they like children where Igbo person born for them. They no one associate with Igbo. Anything Igbo they pay Yariba people. These Yariba people are ready to do everything possible to make sure that any child in Yariba land that have Igbo blood in him, maybe from Igbo father or Igbo mother, that child will never occupy political seats in that Yariba land. The way so many Yariba people hate this young man is too much. No be say he do them anything, no. Nah, just because he mama na Igbo woman. And the guy can't still marry Igbo lady. Few days ago, this young man went to Ibadan. He went there for a visit. It be like he go visit the Olubadan of Ibadan. I mean the royal father there, the king there. And because of that, a fellow Yariba person tweeted on Twitter saying, Ibadan people don't carry monkey go market. Him own brother now he dey call monkey simply because him brother get Igbo blood. So many Yariba people from small pikin, their parents don't they preach Igbo hate they give them, telling them to hate Igbos. So many Yariba people don't come out online, they talk say, when they're small, their mama they tell them to hate Igbo people. Some of them for TikTok live, they go they talk. All these people where they saga Igbo people, all these Yariba people where they saga Igbo people, they talk bad about Igbo people for TikTok live. For that TikTok live, they talk say, our parents were telling us to hate Igbo people. These Yariba people in Lagos, they thought that Ibadan people are like them, that preach bigotry. Immediately, people from Ibadan started seeing that tweet. They started to reply him. Look at what they said. This Ibadan person replied, "This is bullshit. I believe you are above the age of 30. You should know when to stop this nonsense." Another Yariba person from Ibadan said, "I was born and raised in Ibadan and is still home to me. I can tell and trust that they don't and won't be part of this rubbish you are doing. Carry your bad energy far away from Ibadan and its people." Another Yariba person replied, "So an SSA in Lagos State thinks it's okay to call a fellow black man a monkey because of politics. That's not just disrespectful, it's self-hate and disgraceful." Another Yariba person replied, "As always, classless people will show that they have no class. Without government appointment, who would this guy be? But he's calling his brother a monkey. Anyway, we don't do that type of nonsense in Ibadan. Keep your bigotry in your father's house." Another Yariba person replied saying, "The people of Ibadan's rejection of the bigotry in this tweet is my highlights for the day. And I must say I love it, as they maintain that bigotry is unique to Lagos." Another Yariba person replied saying, "Senior special assistant to the governor of Lagos State, by the way, one day you will go back to all these your posts and see how foolish you sound. But till then, enjoy." The person that made this tweet calling Rhodes-Vivour a monkey is senior special assistant to the governor of Lagos State. So many of these government officials where they see now mumu they don't get sense. And also I can be a governor. And also I can be in an office. AC they there, laptop they there, desktop, everything they there. If they make or they call that big man, but now mumu be. This person where tweet this thing, where call himself AJ. Now also I be not get sense. He's an Ozwai. Ozwai. Politicians for Lagos don't turn so many Yariba people for Lagos to zombie. All they do in Lagos is hating Igbo people, hating Igbo people. Ibadan is not Lagos where they preach hate. Have you ever heard that Ibadan people are destroying Igbo shops and businesses in Ibadan? No. They want development. They don't see say Igbo people are not what those Yariba people in Lagos are propagating. How come people in Oyo State, Ibadan, are not complaining about Igbo people? Only Lagos State. The whole land where Igbo people get for that Lagos State, they buy those lands with their money. They build inside that land, they invest inside that land, they develop that land. And they are employing Yariba people in their businesses. But the Yariba people in Lagos felt jealous. They come they see say the only way to make Igbo people to stop to progress is to start preaching hate and bigotry. All these Igbo shops and businesses where they demolish for Lagos, they know they do am. Sanwo-Olu is just destroying Igbo shop because that is their agenda. Tinubu wife talk for 2019 say they go pursue Igbo people come up for Lagos, take their businesses. She talk am for 2019. So all the attacks that you see Igbo people facing in Lagos State is being sponsored by the government of Lagos State. They know wetin dey happen. After when those Ibadan people defended Rhodes-Vivour, saying no to bigotry, Rhodes-Vivour made a post on Twitter telling them thank you. Look at what Rhodes-Vivour said. He said, yesterday I saw Ibadan take a collective stand against bigotry. I remember the collective stand they took to support Igbophobia during the herdsmen crisis, the open stand against Ruga, the creation of Amotekun. I remember how Ibadan and her leaders managed NSAS. It's not by accident that you are the peace setter. Since they congratulate them, that guy Rhodes-Vivour now, he go dey regret say which kind tribe I come from, so where he say you will be hated because your mom is not from Yariba. Some Lagos people they talk say the reason why we don't like Igbo people is because Igbos are saying that Lagos is a no man's land. Hausa people are saying that Lagos State is a no man's land. The videos are there, go and make research. So many politicians from the north, Hausa people, Fulani people, they talk say Lagos na no man's land. Now the one where Igbo people talk, they pain these people. Why is it that Yariba people, you people fear a lot? Why do you say una they fear? How many times una don't attack Fulani people? How many times una don't attack Hausa people? Telling them to stop saying it. Instead, not only Igbo people na they face because the country hates Igbo people, because the country is marginalizing Igbo people. Igbo people are only trying to survive. Now because of say, when I don't say politics, Nigeria politics, they favor una against Igbo people. If to say na Igbo people na power dey their hand for this country, who una be? If to say power dey the hands of Igbo people for Nigeria, who be Yariba? Instead of you people to be focusing on all these herdsmen that are killing your people in Yariba land, na Igbo will not do anything, be your problem. Igbo man will not keep person from our land, na be una problem. Shame on una. But I don't blame you people because this thing where they do so, this bigotry is your destiny. Yariba people are destined to lose their lands. It's just that you people are not seeing the handwriting on the wall. You people are destined to lose your land. Ilorin is gone. Other Kwara state communities that are Yariba are going into extinction sooner because those lands will be taken by Fulani people. So many Yariba communities in Kwara State have deserted their communities. Nobody did there again. Fulani don't take over that place. You people are not talking about it. You are not concerned about it. So many Yariba people will tell you, we rather die. It's better for us to die in this country. It's better for Fulani herdsmen to be killing us than to see an Igbo man become the president of Nigeria. That comment not they make me vex again. I don't understand. Say these people are the evil fashioned against themselves. So many Yariba people don't know. Devil don't draw map for una finish to say make una they bombard Igbo people with hate and bigotry. Make Fulani see opportunity take over on our land. You people una go cry. Don't worry. Una go cry. Una go think say that play. At last una eye go open. The only thing existing in Yariba land now is bigotry against Igbo people. Igbo people, this is an opportunity for you people to bring your businesses back home and invest. Yariba people will keep destroying your businesses and mansions in Lagos State. Ndi Igbo akuluono, think home. On the 26th of February 2025, the late Olubadan of Ibadan, that is the king of Ibadan kingdom, this is what he said. Olubadan commends Igbo contribution to commerce in Oyo. He said that Igbo people are contributing massively to the commerce and economy of Oyo states, including Ibadan. And the senior special assistant to the governor of Lagos State, that was why they try to push Ibadan people into bigotry. Ibadan people say no. This one shows say those set of Ibadan people get sense. Not be all those mumu where they mumu themselves for Lagos, they fight Igbo people. The most developed region in Nigeria is Southeast. You know if you compare Ibadan to Oka, you know if you compare Ibadan to Enugu, you know if you compare Ibadan to Abakaliki, you know if you compare Ibadan to Asaba, you know if you compare Ibadan to Owerri, you know if you compare Ibadan to Umuahia. These are capital cities, and our capital cities are they compare Ibadan to. Ibadan is the capital city of Oyo State. You will never compare Ibadan to the capital cities in Igbo land. The capital cities in Igbo land are more developed. You think say they sweet Ibadan people say their capital city they like that? Instead of allowing them to embrace greatness, you are trying to turn them against Igbo people because now bigotry will not do politics for Lagos State. So many Yariba people knows that the bigotry coming from Lagos State government and Lagos State people and some other Yariba people against Igbo nation is taking away the attention of Yariba people from their real enemies. If Yariba people must protect their land from Fulani invasion and conquer, they are expected to mount their guard and stop fighting Igbo nation. Igbo nation is not the enemy. We Igbos, we are focusing on our major enemy. Yariba people not be our problem for Igbo land. We know our problem and we are fighting it. So any Yariba person where if you say Igbo not their problem, make you remember say Yariba people are dying in Kwara states. No mind all those Yariba people where they do bigotry. Those set of Yariba people are those Yariba people that are fashioned against Yariba land. Yariba people where get says make una not allow the mumu in your midst to give Fulani people the chance to conquer you. Fulani people are your problem, not Igbo people. Ishia Wale.